Hi, this is Mrs. Knopf, and today we are going to continue in our method book on the alto sax with line 4, third note down. Now, before we look at this, I'm going to scroll back up to the top of the previous page because this is where you're going to find your newest note and the fingering chart for it. So our newest note is a B, which in parentheses, concert D. So if you're in a band class with other students and your director says, all right, let's play concert D, you are a transposing instrument and you have to think, what does that mean for me? So you go backwards 2 letters in the alphabet. If your band director says D, D, C, B, your note is a B. What that looks like for you is the third line on the treble clef staff. That's important. And then B is just the first finger pressing down the first key of the left hand, which is at the top of the instrument. All right? And I know there's a lot of keys up here to press. Make sure you're pressing the correct first key. So if you're not sure, because I know different brands of saxes might have different setups with their keys, talk to your private teacher or your band director and make sure that your fingers are in the right place. All right, so now we've got B, and then we have line 4, third note down. So this is what we have. Always start with your treble clef because that's what the saxophone reads. Then our time signature comes next. We're in 4/4 time. The top 4 tells you how many beats are in every measure. The bottom number tells you the value of the whole note. In this case, the whole note gets 4 beats, as well as the whole rest. And then we've got the letter name of our note. It's B on the third line. This is the only time you're going to see this because it's new. After that, you're expected to remember, all right, third line of the treble clef, that's a B. So we're going to go through, we're going to play our B for 4 counts, rest, play the B again, rest, go straight down to the next line, play B again, and now to make sure that you're reading, we are resting for 2 measures in a row. That's 8 beats. And then we play B one more time, and then we have our final bar line here at the end to tell you that you're done. Okay, so let's start back here. My metronome is set for 80 beats per minute, and I'm going to start each note with a T sound. So the tip of my tongue will touch the tip of the reed very lightly, just so we can get a clean start to each note. You can play along with me, or you can listen first and then roll this back and then play. Here we go. 1, 2, B. 2, 3. Next line. 2, 3, 4. And that is it for line 4, third note down. So make sure as you're holding your note and you're going through the rests, look ahead to see what comes next, and that'll prepare you for our next line. I hope this was helpful, and we'll see you next time.